We have a refill station over here, or maybe we can refill our rocket or our pod with some crystallized fusion.
Your puny projectiles won't knock me down.
Don't hurt us, please. Oh, please don't hurt us.
You saved their lives. We are all eternally grateful.
Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
We also have a customly tailored jail cell for evil Emperor Zurg. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys. It's been a hot minute since I've unboxed a brand new Toy Story toy, so I'm super excited to show you the new Star Command Spaceship by Mattel.
Now, the Star Command Spaceship is not a Toy Story 4 toy, although you will recognize all of the artwork. It does look like the Toy Story 4 artwork.
This set has everything that you need to fight off Zurg and to rescue the aliens. There are 20 plus lights and sounds where you can choose your own adventure, because you can ride on the space exploring rover, detach the rocket pod, light up the cockpit with his glow-in-the-dark figural body.
Come in, Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Star Command, do you read me?
We have a fully articulated Buzz Lightyear included, and what's so super cool is that he glows in the dark. So there are no components that has any like battery packs or anything like that. He really just glows in the dark in the old-fashioned way.
Cool.
It is very cool, but he does not have any other lights or sounds or anything like that. He just glows.
But the glow part is really, really cool.
It is. We got a bunch of these stickers to decorate our Star Command Spaceship, and we have our instruction booklet.
To infinity and beyond, I have to go Star Command now.
Takes 3 AA batteries. This is where all of the accessories are, right inside when it's packaged. So you have to turn this to unlock. You could press this Star Command logo to activate the lights and the sounds. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Before opening this up, you have to remove the tape at the top. Look at all of this stuff inside. That is everything you need to get started and play with the Star Command Spaceship. Here's the rover right here, and now we can attach different parts because these are all detachable. Now, based on the way the rover is, that's what your adventure is. So if you chose to have the claw there, you would put the claw in front. If you chose to have the antenna there, you would put the antenna in front. So here you would have the antenna, and you could customize the rover any way you'd like. So this is with the antenna. Then you would have a launcher that shoots projectiles. Or you could put the claw. It really opens and closes. And it fits the alien perfectly. You would always put this antenna right here, because there's also room here to put the satellite if you'd like. So you always have something on the rover, no matter what. You could even put the launcher on it. Or switch it out and put the claw on it and put the launcher. Really cool. And Buzz would sit right here. There's also this component right here. And you could even put this. So even all at one time, you can have the command center there. You could put the launcher there. You could put the claw machine there. It's all up to you. Don't forget to attach this wing to the top of your Star Command Spaceship to make it go super fast.
Super fast?
Yeah. So here we have all of the components of the Star Command Spaceship unboxed. Now, what's super cool about this set is that it actually tells you what you can do in order to play. It tells you that there are actually 4 ways to play. Now it's mission based, where we open up the rocket pod. Here we have Buzz Lightyear. He is so awesome. Here is the interior of the rocket pod. We have a big captain's chair for Buzz Lightyear to sit inside. He has all of these cool gadgets and components for him to navigate the amazing Star Command spaceship. Close it up, and we reveal mission base. So what we do is we open this part up to unlock it, and everything just folds down perfectly. You could keep this part completely open or close it up. This actually is like a little room for everything to be happening, where all the magic can happen. You see these little notches over here? These are perfect for the pieces that have this little hole, where you could put all of that stuff inside from the rover. So you could remove the claw. You could put maybe the launcher there. You could set up your mission base and put a satellite over here outside, and maybe to ward off any bad guys or to actually collect some aliens. And if you want to ward off any bad guys, like maybe Zurg, you can set it up over here. So there's all these different areas where you can actually play. Buzz Lightyear, give me back my alien.
No, evil Emperor Zurg.
Huh. Your puny projectiles won't knock me down.
These projectiles have space poison in them, and they make you have gas and fart.
No! Ah! I'll get you! Now, once you're done fighting off evil Emperor Zurg at your mission base, now you can transform it into the rocket pod. I'm off into space now. Bye, alien.
Oh, you saved my life. I'm eternally grateful. Can I come with you?
Sure. I think there's room enough for 2 of us. Let's go into the rocket pod.
Oh.
Now you could leave mission base as is because Buzz is going to go off on his own. But to transform it into the rocket pod, let's take some components from the mission base. You're going to take this.
Oh my god, that's cool.
That is cool.
That's so cool. so the rings could actually go on this part also?
Yeah.
That's what the circles are for?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
So there's holes over here, and you could put the wings over here on the side. This is a totally like plug and play system. Super duper fun. Now we can also put the blasters on the bottom.
Oh, okay. Those are for when you land, right?
Yep. Now our rocket pod is all set up. Now we can decorate the inside with some components and fit our figures inside. Here is the rocket pod. Now Buzz Lightyear and Alien are gonna go scouting, just in case Zurg comes back. They're looking for a good place to drop him off so they never have to deal with him again.
Yeah, like maybe the sun
Oh no.
in space.
So you can put him inside here, and he fits nicely.
And
let's see if we could get Alien in there. Alien could put right here. He could man the helm. That's really cute. Now let's close it up. And now they can blast off.
He can control the panels. Alien, do you even know what you're doing? No, I don't. Alien, you're doing a good job.
Whoa, thank you.
Okay, now that they're back and they've scouted the area, just in case evil Emperor Zurg comes back, they know where to send him. So after we play with the rocket pod, you can now transform your space exploring rover. When they landed on the planet that they want to explore, they can attach all of the accessories they want and drive around. Since such a fully customizable set, you can take all of the components that you put inside of your mission base and put on top of your rover. Now I can go in the rover, now that it's fully customized to my liking, and explore this planet to look for more aliens.
Master, do you want me to come with you?
I'm not sure, Master, but yes, you can come with me. Let's see if we could fit Alien right by his butt area. Again, you can get that 3-piece set at Walmart for 20 bucks. I already did a review on it, and I'll put the link to that video at the top of my screen. Unfortunately, Alien can't fit on the rover with him, but he'll have to stay over by Mission Base in case any aliens show up. Whoa. Now you can have Buzz Lightyear search over and inspect the planet. There's some crazy terrain up ahead. Zooms though on all 4 wheels with ease. What's that ahead? I think I hear Zurg.
Don't hurt us, please. Oh, please don't hurt us.
Ha! You're mine now, and no Buzz Lightyear is here to protect you.
You're wrong about that, Zurg.
Oh no! I just got rid of all poisonous thoughts.
Save us, please. Help, help.
I got you again, Zurg. Now you're coming with me. I guess it was inevitable. You're right. Let's go back to Mission Base.
You saved their lives. We are all eternally grateful.
Of course you are, little aliens. Now that we have Zurg, we can just put him in prison. And where you will put him in prison, you ask? I'll show you. Not only does Mission Command have an awesome area to man the ship,
We have a refill station over here, or maybe we can refill our rocket or our pod with some crystallized fusion.
we also have a customly tailored jail cell for Evil Emperor Zurg. This again is from the 3-pack set that I already unboxed on our channel. You can find it at Walmart now for $20. And just put him right in here. He's supposed to fit perfectly. Yep, there he goes. He snaps right into place. And now you could take him and keep him inside of your mission base. However, you cannot close mission base with him in it. He is really, really large. Now, if you wanted to just keep him there, keep him locked up, you have a nice jail cell for him.
This is so humiliating.
Now that I've showed you all of the adventures that you can have with the Star Command spaceship, I'm going to show you how he lights up and glows in the dark. And I'm also going to show you some other Buzz Lightyears that you can play with this set. Collar area and chest area where all of his components light up in the dark. It's not quite dark here, so that's why you really can't see it too much. But here you see it with the black light. Really cool. Those are the only areas that light up. So now that I showed you how to play and what you can do with this awesome Star Command spaceship, and now you saw him light up, now what if you wanted to play with the other 7-inch figures that came out this year and maybe even in the past? So this is the one that it came with, the glow-in-the-dark one. Now they all have the same facial expression, even the same eyebrows. This is the 7-inch figure that came out, I want to say in 2018, 2017, I'm not quite sure. Doesn't talk or anything, fully posable, same idea, not glow in the dark, does not glow at all, has the same facial expression. He will fit in the rover, he will fit inside of the pod. He has all of the same articulation, so he'll be able to fit same size. Then we have the True Talker. He also has the same articulation and the same facial expression, but you can decipher who he is by the fact that he talks.
Scanning perimeter.
Now this one might be a little bit more fun to play with, so I would suggest if you do have True Talkers, definitely incorporate him into playtime for your kids or for yourself if you're going to play with them, or even display them.
This planet is toxic. Closing helmet to conserve oxygen.
Fortunately, it doesn't have a helmet to close. This is the new one that just came out, and it's the same exact one. Again, does not glow in the dark. So that's how you'll be able to tell. So if you wanted to include those kinds of Buzz Lightyear figures, you totally can. If you wanted to maybe do something where they find imposters of themselves, and maybe your kid realizes, oh my gosh, they got on a planet and there's more than one Buzz Lightyear. That'll be fun too. All right, guys, now that we've unboxed this awesome set, what do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Will you be getting this for your kiddo for Christmas? Is this on your wish list? Would you be able to keep it in the box for display, or would you play with it? Let me know in the comments below. This is so awesome, and I found it on Amazon. Right now, these are actually going to be in stores October 1, but I got mine a little bit earlier. They were also at Kohl's, so and you can't even use Kohl's Cash for it. And this was about, I want to say $70. I can't quite remember, but all of that information is in my description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope if you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please leave a comment below if you're new here. I'd love to talk to new subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys.
And have a great day.
Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
If you like seeing the latest toy videos with cool reviews, honest reviews, really in-depth demos, then you have to subscribe to Tubi Toys. Thanks again. My name is Tiffany, and don't forget to check out my blog as well, tubitoys.com. And follow us on Instagram. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.
And have a great day. Guys, there's two people over here, and then inside is some of the characters I put inside.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna close it back up now.
Wait. Oh my god.
Wait, hey, don't show it. I need to stay like this so they can actually stay in here. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.